Hey everybody, we're at the TRS Cap Cana. It's a very new property. Check it out right here. I'm right here. And this is Sean KVS Travel. Room 1103. This is a swim out suite.
It's 4103.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's a 4103. All right, let's go check it out. Hello, we're here.
Welcome.
This is Michael.
Hello, Michael.
Welcome.
All right, so when you come in the room, you have a nice walk-in closet, robes, slippers. And if anybody's familiar with the TRS name, I've kind of believe you get a lot of bang for your buck. With them, their price is usually really good. And this property is on a really nice little village. It's very secure. It's in Cap Cana, which is secure. And then on top of that, it's in a village where there's shopping and dining off property as well. Safe, storage, iron, a steam iron. Really nice bathroom. Nice countertops, check it out.
Nice towels, big fluffy towels.
Mm-hmm.
They have the French
This
amenities.
was formerly the Soul. So TRS took it over last year and did some changes, fixed up the food, fixed up the drinks, and gonna make this place complete. It's a really nice, it's only like 132 rooms or something like that. So it's boutique size. There's not much of a beach. If you're a beach person, call us, we'll find you a great beach place. It's in a harbor, but it's got beautiful swim ups, really good food, really private, really luxurious feeling as far as the whole community. Here's your wet mini bar and coffee station. So you have regular coffee and then espresso. And then in your mini bar, which everybody likes to see, got some snacks, water, Coke products, Fanta, Sprite, El Presidente, and then on demand if you want is Coors Light and I think Budweiser.
And it's 24-hour butler service,
Yeah.
so they can bring you your mixed drinks.
Room service as well, which they're really, room service is hard to get figured out at these places. It's hard. They said they're really getting close to getting room service nailed as far as getting the food here hot and really yummy. And that's gonna be a feat if they can do that because it's hard to find. Got the Bose, this is owned by the Palladium, so they have the Bose speaker box. Please don't take them with you. They do check them right when you leave the room to make sure. Really almost like California king size bed. Really nicely appointed. I mean, it's nice.
This
Color's
is one
nice.
of my favorite parts of the room. Those cushions, I think they pop and look so comfy. Nice oversized couch. You can snuggle up.
Table, so you can eat your room service like civilized humans
Right.
at a table. That's a nice thing. An Edison bulb up there, and the colorful, just the colors pop. And then out here, really nice balcony. Look at this patio. Got your hammock. How nice is that? Who doesn't want to lay on this hammock? Now, unfortunately, we had a bit of a rain shower come, so the sun is gone. So you're not getting to see the beautiful Caribbean sun. But imagine how even more beautiful on a sunny day this water is and feels. And these swim out rooms, they're popular, but nobody's hardly ever in them all the time. And you have like the whole pool to yourself. There's a kitty cat. The only people allowed in these swim out suites are swim up / guests. Other people staying in other rooms are not allowed in this pool. This is swim out guests only.
There's your steakhouse over there, El Gaucho.
Look at
What's that?
So-
Oh, that's nice.
how nice the stone,
Stonework on the building is nice.
Pool goes around, so here's it's around
Starts
the corner right here.
There, goes
The
all
corner
the way.
room. Occupied. Alright, we're
Okay.
having mojitos, by the way.
Yes,
So,
excellent.
What's the deal here? Subscribe to KVS Travel on YouTube and make sure you call us when you're ready for your next vacation, honeymoon, destination wedding, family vacation. We actually travel to where we book, so we know what we're talking about. So if you want to travel with somebody that has knowledge, if you want a travel agent, no fees, you call us. If you book online, man, you're on your own there. It's just you're on your own. If you call for help, good luck. You're not going to get it really. And give me a call at 610-334-1917 and shoot me an email. It's Sean@kvstravel.com. But remember, please include your phone number and no questions about anything that you've already booked. It has to be something that you're planning on booking with us. If your travel agent that you booked with does not know the answer, you need to cancel that and book with us, because the travel agent should know what they're talking about. Sean KVS Travel at TRS Cap Cana in this beautiful swim out suite. Good drink.